Hello everyone, my name is Priscilla Hot Agita Butar. I will explain about inorganic chemistry, about element and compound. Atom equals element. The term atom has the same meaning as an element, which is the smallest part of a substance. Examples of elements or atoms are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and others. So, what is the difference between an atom and an element? The difference lies in the usage in sentence. Atom is a concrete noun, while element is a noun that refers to properties. If we mention the element hydrogen, the element carbon, the element oxygen, it reminds us of the periodic table of elements. In the periodic table of elements, there are different colors for each different element group, such as orange, pink, blue, light blue, dark blue, light green, dark green. This difference shows the nature of each element. For example, it is a halogen or metallic or non-metallic gas. In the periodic table of elements, the name of the element is helium. For element names, the first letter is always capitalized and the second letter is lowercase. This naming can be based on who the inventor is. It can be based on where the location is found. The atomic number indicates on the periodic table the element, which atom. To make things easier, scientists group the elements into several types based on the properties of the elements. First, Dobrynin tried that three elements are grouped into one, where the middle element has the average mass of the first and third elements. Octave Newland, grouping elements based on their atomic mass into each element in one group. And last, Mendeleev's periodic system, grouping elements based on their atomic mass in vertical lines called groups. In the Mendeleev system, some elements are left because they do not match their nature, so it is predicted that other elements will fill in. Let's look at the following image. H2O or water. There are two types of elements, namely hydrogen and oxygen. There are three atoms, namely two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Molecule equal compound. A molecule has the same meaning as a compound, that is a combination of several elements or atoms. Examples of compounds or molecules that exist in nature include water, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and others. Then, what is the difference between a compound and a molecule? Molecules are concrete nouns, while compounds are nouns that refers to properties. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. When elements combine, the atoms lose their individual properties and have properties different from those of the element that compose them. Chemical formulas are used as a quick way to indicate the composition of a compound. Letters, numbers, and symbols are used to represent elements and the number of elements in each compound. If the number of particles in the element is called the number of compounds, then the number of compounds or the number of particles is called the number of molecules. The number of particles is the mole times Avogadro's number. The number of particles can be called the number of atoms, can be called the number of molecules. When we call the number of atoms, it means the number of particles for the element. When we say the number of molecules, we mean the number of particles for the compound. There are billions of other compounds in you. Likely everything you can find is one kind of some substance or another. When elements link and grow compounds, they lose some of their personal traits. Sodium or Na only is very sensitive, but when sodium and gas Cl add, they create the non-reactive component called sodium chloride. New compounds have some or none of the physical or material traits of these new components. They take a new experience of their own. The most common chemical reactions that occur in our bodies are oxygen, glucose, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Elements and compounds are also related to the oil palm field. Its fatty acid composition consists of a combination of elements that form a compound. For example, the most abundant content is palmitic acid, which consists of three elements, namely carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Consists of 50 atoms, namely 16 carbon atoms, 32 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms. The second is oleic acid, with the same elements as palmitic acid but different atomic number. Oleic acid consists of 54 atoms, namely 18 carbon atoms, 34 hydrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms. So many explanations about elements and compounds. More or less, I apologize and thank you. Bye-bye.